I'm Ryan Parker with Parker Home Renovations in New Braunfels, Texas, and today I'm going to teach you how to paint your grout joints. Now, there are a few things you're going to need. You're going to need a Scotch pad, you're going to need a clean cloth or a sponge with water, and then you're going to need some type of grout colorant. For this example, I'm going to show you a grout coating pen, which is actually very easy to use. They also come in bottles. You can get about any hardware store that carries tile stuff. They can come in a bottle also with the paint, and you can actually put those in a seal wheel, or you can paint them on with a paintbrush, but you got to be very careful. The first thing you want to do is you want to take your Scotch pad and you want to clean off the grout joints very good and make sure there's no residue on them. Wipe it off with a cloth or with your sponge, and then you want to take your grout colorant pen and you want to take the top off, and you're going to want to push the end of it down onto the grout joint like this and pull that grout pen across the grout joint until you get an even coverage of color on that grout joint. If you're using the seal wheel, you can pour the grout color into the seal wheel and roll the wheel across the grout joint, and you'll also get color on it that way. If you're using a paintbrush, you can use a very fine paintbrush and paint the grout joints. That's a little more tedious, and you got to be very careful with it. Let it dry for 5 to 8 hours. Let it dry up real good before walking over it. If you have any other questions, you can visit me at parkerhomerenovations.com.